Hi guys, today for you I have the January 2018 box for you today, the Tokyo Treat box. I think today I'm not going to try anything, so let's try this. If you want to see me in another video try these snacks, please comment below. One of the things in our this is a new system too. We have the Mora Haichu Premium, these green grapes gummies. Then we have Koala March in King Crow. Kind of looks like this. And then we have the Ariel Rich Cheddar Cheese. They look like that. And then we have DIY slime jelly kit. Then we have cocoa corn snacky thingies. And then we have red Shrapper. We have Rabe Soda Crush. And then this is also vitamin C gummies. I'm missing. Oh, and then the Umbai pizza flavor. So those are things in our box. And if you want to see me try these, please like or comment below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.